Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBPJPY. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis of what GBPJPY is currently doing. So then we will be able to predict and put one or two together to be able to predict what market is going to be giving us for the week, right? So before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the week, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBP JPY. So before we go ahead to take a trade, right, before we take a predict what market will be doing for the week, we need to know something, and that thing is, what is the trend? First, you would want to know what the trend is. Second, you would want to trade with the trend. Remember, first thing first is know your trend. Second is to trade with the trend. What can we say the trend is on our GBP JPY? This is very clear that GBP JPY is in an uptrend move. What? Right? We are in an uptrend move. You can clearly see, if you take a look at this line, you can see as your trend line, right? Market once push up, right? Then it pull back to retest this trend line. Market then push up a bit, right? Then it came back, pull back to tap this trend line. Market then push up again, and then it will eventually pull back to test this trend line, right? It tapped this trend line. Market then push up again to form a new high. You can see that once market push up to form a new high, it will give us a pullback that will come to retest this our trend line. The market eventually push up again to form a new higher high. You can see that took out this previous high, right? Now this is a pullback that has come to tap our trend line. Now the market has tapped the trend line, what should you be expecting next on your GBPJPY? It is very simple and it is very clear. We should be expecting GBPJPY to reject and bounce up, thereby pushing up to form a new higher high. So we should be expecting GBPJPY to push up to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. Now the thing is, are you in the buy right now? If you are in the buy, hold your buy position. But if you are not in the buy, you can see, if you are in the buy, hold your buy position. If you are not in the buy, you can be looking to going for the buy. Because with this GBPJPY, we will be anticipating it to give us a bullish move, thereby taking out this our previous high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting on our GBPJPY. Now guys, let's go down to the daily time frame, guys. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So this was once rejection zone right here. This was once rejection zone, right? Market once came to tap this resistance, it dropped to come to our support, then came back to tap our resistance, dropped to the support, came back again to tap the resistance, then eventually dropped to the support level, which broke below it a bit. The market rallied up to tap this resistance, right? Then it dropped to tap our support level, right? Market eventually came up, right? Which broke above it, right? Pull back. Market then push up again, and now it has now come back to retest the same level. Now guys, take a look at this moment. Market once came to retest this resistance level, we dropped, right? It now push up to break out of it, right? It broke out of the resistance level. Now market has now pulled back to retest it. What should you be expecting, right, for your break and retest strategy? Of course, we should be expecting market to push up till it is able to form a new high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what you should be expecting for the week on our GBPJPY. So let's go down to the forward time frame. All you just need is just a buy setup, which market is still dropping right here. Market is still dropping. But once you get a buy setup within this level, you can now go in for the buy for the week, as GBPJPY will be giving us a bullish move for the week. If there will be any changes to this prediction that I just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not miss out on any updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.